What's the best way to kill yourself very, very fast? Yeah, using microwave. Hi, my name is Nejla. Today I want to talk about how microwave is harmful for you. First of all, I'm talking about how microwave is working and why most of the people use microwave oven. Almost every American home has a microwave. They use microwave because microwave is very easy and quick way to cook and warm up the food. Disadvantages cause a lot of people has a microwave. Now, microwave works with radiation. Radiation causes spin the molecular in the food spin and vibrated, and this vibration causes the heat of inside the food and cause the damage of the nutrition value of food. Microwave damage 97% of nutrition value. So, as I said, microwave destroyed food nutrition. Microwave unhealthy way to cook and cause some serious diseases for human body. Microwave destroy the sugar, fat, and water inside the food. For example, if you have a two-pot flour, watering one of them with the regular water and other one with the microwave water, the one you did with the microwave water will be killed after 2 days. Or if you take the microwave foods after a few hours, you still feel hungry because the most nutrition value destroyed by microwave. Or another example, after you taking the microwave foods, you still weak and tired because no nutrition value in your foods. I'm going to bring some research evidence why the microwave is harmful. According to Dr. Hans from the University of Swiss, he got a blood sample before and after taking microwave food, and he realized that after you taking the microwave food, the blood cells increasing, and this situation means your blood poisoning or cell damage. And another research, according to Swiss University, microwave damage the wall and the genes of the cells of food. It modified the cellular activity in human body which consume of that food. The human cells used to aerobic energy activities, but when you use this kind of food, microwave food, it goes to the anaerobic activities. And this is the situation of cancer condition. Another research which Dr. Henrys and Dr. Echana Barak from University of Illinois, they said changing made from the transfer, microwave changed the transfer amino acid to transfer fat. And this is a poisoning, and it is a poisoning of body, and it's a gradually damage of respiratory system and digestive system. So, as I said, microwave work with radiation. Think about it. It's radiated. Radiation, something radiated. When you take the microwave food, basically you take the radiated garbage. please do not put anything in your microwave. It is completely damaged of your food. And please give away your microwave and keep your lifestyle healthy and your children healthy too. Thank you. Does anybody have any questions?
How long ago did they find this out? Because, I mean, microwave's been around, what, 40 years, 30 years? Probably a little longer.
Yeah,
And-
it is in 1946.
It's even longer than,
Yeah.
they've been around for years.
Yeah.
I mean, it's like,
A lot of people don't know about it.
a lot of
No.
people don't know.
No,
So
because it's using a radiation. It's radiation.
the media needs to know about this. Maybe you can let the media know about this and let them put it on the news.
I never knew.
Yeah.
We never knew about
The
this.
best way you toss away your microwave because it's irradiated. You have no nutrition value in your food. Yeah, they did a lot of research in the Europe, not America, but Europe has a lot of research about it, and they shows that it's very bad for people and cause serious problems. Yeah, like the cancer.
Wow.
Very
Does
good.
anybody question? Thank you a lot. Sure, you toss away your microwave. It's bad for you. Thanks.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Thanks.
Over here.
We can.
That was good.
All right.
I